JaniLearn, a new learning management system specifically designed for the JanSan industry, brings together two main components. The first is Course Builder, a powerful tool that allows your distributor to create training just for you, with your products, your supplies, and your equipment that you have in inventory, includes the cleaning procedures and schedules that you want your employees to follow. Course Builder also makes it possible to add your own training materials such as videos and PDFs when customizing your courses. The Course Builder is straightforward. Simply answer the questions as they are presented. If you need to make changes, just go back and modify your answers. It's as simple as that. The second component is Course Connect, another powerful tool within JaniLearn that enables your employees to access their training in a secure environment, updates learners regarding their status in each course and guides them. Available for all your employees on their mobile devices. Your supervisory staff can view their employees' training progress. Also includes features such as downloading of reports, distribution of certificates of completion, sending messages to your employees, and much more. JaniLearn, a powerful learning system for you and your custodial staff. Now available. Visit us at JaniTrain.com for more information.